Okay, in this short video we're going to look at the sine rule, and you use that when you're given a triangle that's not right angled and you have a side and its opposite angle. Now in this case we're working at a length, so I'm going to use the top formula here. So I can rewrite this as x over sine 58 is equal to 10 over sine 62. Multiplying both sides by sine 58, I can write it as 10 over sine 62 multiplied by sine 58. Now that's actually sine 58 over 1, so most of the time we write it like so. And then if I just type that into my calculator, so if I do 10 sine 58, making sure to close the bracket, over sine 62, I can write that as 9.60 to 2 decimal places. Now if instead I wanted to work out an angle, so if I've got a triangle that looks something like this, let's say we've got 47 degrees, that's 12 meters. Let's work out the top angle here. I'm going to use the bottom part of the sine rule. So I'm going to write sine x over 8 equals sine 47 over 12. Remembering we've got this opposite and this opposite pair. To get sine x on its own, I'm going to multiply by 8, and in the same way I'm just going to write it like this, so 8 sine 47 over 12. But to work out x, we need to do the inverse of sine, so we're going to do shift sine on our calculator and then just type this in and it will tell us what it is. So if we do shift sine, and then we're going to do 8 sine 47, closing the bracket, over 12, right arrow, close the big bracket, and then let's write that out to something sensible. So 29.18 degrees to 2 dp. Hope that helps.